Oh yeah, you can smell that vinegar all right. If you ever got anything serious you want to do, this isn't the kind of thing you'd use like Mother's apple cider vinegar for. This is the kind of stuff you want to use like industrial vinegar, which is has a higher percentage of vinegar in it than some vinegars that you would eat. And if you get the industrial strength vinegar, when you're doing something like this, I mean, if you think about it, you want some strong vinegar to be in there because the whole purpose of that is to eat the rust off of that. Now I could fill that completely up, but that's probably enough. It wouldn't hurt to put this down inside of something. I see an interesting weld here. I had one banjo that Stan up in Maine made a ring for me. I don't think it was this one, but it looks like it could be because of the shape of that weld. But yeah, I don't think I've ever had this one apart before. So these two screwdrivers are both wedged in there, and they have some pressure on that stick. I think I'm just going to let that sit overnight. I don't think there's too much more I can do to that, and I don't want to force it off of there. So we'll just let this sit over here overnight. These strings need to come off this neck. And these are old, these are almost toy banjo friction pegs here, but they work, or they have worked on this banjo before. That's what was on here. But it would be a good idea to get them off too. I don't think I want to soak them in vinegar, especially the plastic part. I don't know if the plastic would react well to the vinegar, but I could get them off of here and just soak the metal parts. And then that could be good. Good thing to do. I don't think that screwdriver's any good right there. Well, that is working. That is coming off of there. Out of there. That one right there is kind of stuck too. It might be similarly wedged in there because of the flood. Let's try some of this on. Sure that I'm going to be able to use these or not. I'm just slipping. This would probably be a pretty good candidate. Put some geared pegs on, and I've got some geared pegs around here, and I might do that. It is coming out of there. That may be savable. Morning, YouTube-elators. It turned a little cold last night. my pipes froze, which is kind of unusual. I have my pipes where they come out of the ground. I have a fiberglass, a three. Let me say this right. I have 2 inches of foam insulation turned into a box, setting over the top of my pipes where they come out of the well. And I have a light under there that lights up when it gets above 40 degrees to heat that. And the pipes froze once before, and I had forgotten to set that box in place and plug in the light. So I did all that, but now they're frozen again. And I'm guessing they're frozen. It goes from that box under the ground and up into the house. So I'm guessing it froze up under the house. So, you know, the heater's on in the house. We just wait for the temperature to come up. What I should have done is left the water running just a little dribble of water. A little drip, 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 drip will basically help prevent pipes from freezing. But I didn't leave the water dripping. Oh, this thing is leaking. This is that thing that I put the vinegar in, and it's leaking. Smells pretty vinegary. So this is the hardware for my little thing that I was working on yesterday, and yeah, and smells quite vinegary. Vinegar's got a really bitter taste. You know, there's a place in the Bible where when they were crucifying Jesus, he asked for something to drink, and they put some vinegar on a rag and held it up to his mouth. And if you've ever smelled any, and I'm not talking about like Mother's apple cider vinegar, I'm talking about like if you get some industrial strength vinegar, you just can't hardly breathe when you get it around your face. So I'm guessing that's just one more way that Jesus suffered during his death on the cross. This is still stuck. It looks like I've moved the stick a little bit, but I'm wondering if I'm just dragging this wood screw out of the end of it. Because even though it's moving, it doesn't look like this little spot right here is moved. It looks like it's right about where it was, which is not at all good. Not good for what I'm trying to do here, certainly. I need something better to hammer on. I think that may have moved a little bit. Try that again. Moved a little bit.